Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Curious about Canva's smartest features? I'll show you the coolest AI tools it offers. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels and confirm your selection. This sets up a new canvas with the exact dimensions we need. Next, we'll choose the design elements to start building our project. Choose an image or use this template for our example. Once selected, click the Edit button. This will open the editing interface, where you can make changes and customize your content as needed. Click the Select Image tool from the toolbar. Next, click on the image you want to select. This will highlight the image, allowing you to make further edits or adjustments using the available options and tools. Hover over the image, then select the option to remove the background. You can also apply other editing features to further customize and enhance your image. From the toolbar, select the object you want to work with. Next, choose the second tool, Magic Expand. Before using it, detach the object from the background by clicking the Edit button. With the background detached, apply the Magic Expand tool to automatically extend the object's edges. Finally, select the entire page to ensure the effect covers everything you need. This process helps improve your design quickly and efficiently with minimal manual adjustments. Click the Expand button to view additional details about this image. Expanding will reveal more information, making it easier to understand important attributes or context associated with the image. Use this feature whenever you need further details. These tools aren't available with a free account. You need a Canva Pro subscription to access them. After signing in with your education account, you'll see the new image generated by Magic Span. Review the result here before proceeding to the next step in your workflow or making adjustments. To use the Magic Eraser, click the Magic Eraser tool from the toolbar or select it from the menu. Next, click on the image you want to edit. Then, choose Magic Eraser again. Now, simply select the item you want to remove from the image. For example, if there's a can in your image, click the can to erase it instantly. To remove this item, select it and click the delete icon. If you want to remove another similar item, repeat the same steps, select the item, and click the delete icon again. Use this process for any items you want to remove from the list. The cursor automatically fits your work area, adjusting as needed. This demonstration shows exactly how the cursor adapts to your workspace requirements. Highlight the image or the specific area you want to remove. Next, use the Magic Craft tool. Select Magic Craft from the toolbar. Then, select the image you want to edit by clicking on it. After choosing your image, click the Grab button. The Magic Craft tool automatically detects and isolates the selected portion of the image. Once this process is complete, you can easily remove or modify the highlighted area as needed, streamlining your editing workflow and saving you valuable time. Use Magic Grab to select the image, then move and place it anywhere you want within the picture. You can also delete this by selecting the item and pressing the Delete key. Another feature available is Grab Text. Grab Text works similarly to Magic Grab It, will automatically detect and select the text within the area you highlight. Simply choose the Grab Text option, drag your cursor over the desired area, and the tool will extract the text for you. This process makes copying and utilizing text from images quick and efficient. Type your desired word directly onto the image by selecting the Text tool. Click anywhere on the image, enter your text, and press Enter. Your word now appears on the image, completing the process. You just discovered the top Canva AI tools to boost your designs. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.